Unleash your inner designer. Canva makes it easy. Creating stunning marketing materials used to be a job for the pros. Not anymore. Canva has leveled the playing field, empowering anyone to design like a pro. Canva's user-friendly interface is a breath of fresh air, even if you're a complete beginner. Say goodbye to complicated software and hello to a world of creative possibilities, all at your fingertips. Canva's drag-and-drop functionality makes designing a breeze. No more wrestling with complex tools or confusing menus. Choose from thousands of professionally designed templates or start from scratch. The choice is yours. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or even printed materials, Canva has you covered. But it's not just about ease of use. Canva is packed with powerful features to help you create stunning, professional quality designs. From eye-catching fonts to a vast library of images and illustrations, you'll have everything you need to make your brand shine. Plus, Canva's built-in collaboration tools make it easy to work with your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. So, if you're ready to unlock your inner design guru and take your marketing to the next level, Canva is the tool for you. Let's dive in and explore the key features that make Canva a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Finding your way. Canva's intuitive navigation. Navigating Canva is a breeze, even if you're new to the world of design. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and designed with the user in mind. From the moment you log in, you'll find everything you need is right where you'd expect it to be. The main menu bar across the top of the screen is your starting point. Here, you can access all of Canva's key features, including templates, uploads, text, elements, and more. Each section is clearly labeled with easy-to-understand icons, so you'll never be left wondering where to find what you need. Canva also offers a handy search bar to help you quickly find specific templates, elements, or features. Simply type in what you're looking for, and Canva will present you with a curated list of options. This is a huge time saver, especially when you're working on a tight deadline. And if you ever get stuck, Canva's extensive help center is just a click away. Here you'll find a wealth of resources, including tutorials, articles, and FAQs to guide you through every step of the design process. With Canva's intuitive navigation and helpful resources, you'll be creating stunning designs in no time. Content is king, crafting compelling visuals. In the world of marketing, content is king. But it's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Visual content is key to capturing attention and conveying your message effectively. Canva empowers you to create eye-catching visuals that will make your brand stand out from the crowd. Start by exploring Canva's extensive library of templates. Whether you need a stunning Instagram post, a professional Facebook cover, or an engaging Pinterest graphic, Canva has a template for every need. These templates are designed by professional designers, ensuring your visuals are always on point. Next, add your own personal touch with Canva's vast library of images, illustrations, and icons. Choose from millions of high-quality stock photos or upload your own images to create truly unique designs. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, and layouts of your chosen template to perfectly match your brand identity. Don't forget about the power of text. Canva offers a wide selection of fonts to choose from, allowing you to create visually appealing typography that complements your designs. Experiment with different font pairings, sizes, and styles to find the perfect look for your message. With Canva, crafting compelling visual content is easy and fun. Brand consistency, your secret weapon. Maintaining brand consistency is crucial for building a strong brand identity. When your visuals are cohesive across all platforms, it builds trust and recognition with your audience. Canva makes it easy to maintain brand consistency with its Brand Kit feature. The Brand Kit allows you to store your brand assets, including your logo, color palette, and font styles, all in one central location. This ensures that everyone on your team has access to the same brand elements, maintaining consistency across all your marketing materials. Once you've uploaded your brand assets, Canva will automatically apply them to your designs. This saves you time and effort, as you won't have to manually input your brand information every time you create a new design. Plus, Canva's Brand Templates feature allows you to create pre-designed templates that already incorporate your brand elements. By maintaining brand consistency, You create a cohesive and professional image for your brand. This consistency helps your audience instantly recognize your brand across different platforms, strengthening your brand identity and building trust with potential customers. Canva's brand kit makes it easy to achieve this level of brand consistency, no matter the size of your team. Section 5. Efficiency is key. Streamline your workflow. Time is precious, especially when it comes to running a business. Canva understands this and offers a range of features to help you streamline your workflow and design more efficiently. One of the most time-saving features is the resize option. Let's say you've created a stunning Instagram post, but now you need it in the correct dimensions for Facebook and Twitter. Instead of recreating the design from scratch, simply use the resize feature to instantly adapt it to different platforms. Another great time saver is the Magic Resize feature, which takes resizing to the next level. This magical tool automatically adjusts the elements of your design to fit the new dimensions, saving you from having to manually rearrange everything. It's like having a personal design assistant at your fingertips. Canva also allows you to duplicate designs, making it easy to create variations of a single design without starting from scratch. This is especially helpful for creating different versions of an ad campaign or social media posts. By taking advantage of these efficiency features, you can free up more time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Section 6. Customization. Make it your own. While Canva offers a vast library of templates and elements, it also gives you the freedom to customize your designs to your heart's content. You're not limited to pre-made options. Canva empowers you to unleash your creativity and make each design truly your own. You can customize virtually every aspect of your design, from the colors and fonts to the layout and imagery. Add your own personal flair by incorporating your brand's unique personality into each creation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different design elements, such as shapes, lines, and frames, to add visual interest to your work. Play around with different image filters and effects to create a specific mood or aesthetic. The possibilities for customization are endless. Canva also allows you to upload your own fonts, giving you even more control over the typography of your designs. This is a great option if you have a specific brand font that you want to use consistently across all your materials. With Canva, you're not just using a design tool, you're expressing your brand's unique identity through every design. Section 7. Collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaboration is key to success, especially in today's fast-paced business world. Canva understands this and offers seamless collaboration tools to help teams work together efficiently and effectively. With Canva, you can easily share your designs with team members, clients, or anyone else involved in the project. You can choose to give them viewing access only, or you can grant them editing privileges, allowing them to make changes and contribute to the design in real time. Canva's built-in commenting feature makes it easy to provide feedback and collaborate on designs. Team members can leave comments directly on specific elements of the design, streamlining the feedback process and ensuring everyone is on the same page. No more emailing files back and forth or struggling to keep track of different versions. Canva's collaboration tools keep everyone in sync, making the design process smoother and more efficient. By fostering a collaborative environment, you can tap into the collective creativity of your team and produce truly exceptional work. Section 8. Mastering Canva. Elevate your marketing game. Mastering Canva can be a game changer for your marketing efforts. By harnessing the power of this versatile design tool, you can create stunning visuals that captivate your audience, strengthen your brand identity, and ultimately drive conversions. Imagine effortlessly creating scroll-stopping social media graphics that boost engagement and expand your reach. Picture yourself designing professional quality presentations that wow clients and secure deals. Envision your brand standing out from the competition with a cohesive and memorable visual identity. With Canva, all of this is within your reach. It's more than just a design tool. It's a powerful ally in your quest for marketing success. By embracing Canva's user-friendly interface, powerful features, and collaborative tools, you can unlock a world of creative possibilities and elevate your marketing game to new heights. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Canva and unleash your inner design guru. Start creating stunning marketing materials that will captivate your audience and drive real results for your business. With Canva, the only limit is your imagination.